Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2018 Mazda 2, stock number 7005. This ran from the 9th 2014 to the 10th 2019. It has an F5P 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the F5P 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 15-inch factory made tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 15-inch factory made tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 15-inch factory made tyre, right rear door 3 dents, right front door 2 dents, right hand door mirror, right front 15-inch factory made tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console, manual gear shifter, heater AC control, factory sat nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,